Trader psychology. Trading in the financial markets relies on analytical skills, like recognizing different investments that fit your goals, but your ability to implement these tasks with discipline is also a critical part of succeeding in your trading plan. And that's where trading psychology comes into play. Our mindset impacts our emotions, which affect the decisions we make even when trading. Generally, fear and greed are considered the main instigators of emotional trading. That's because fear can cause you to miss opportunities, while greed may drive you to take a greater risk than you can bear. One of the ways in which you can help control these psychological elements is by building your understanding of the market. That'll help you build a solid, knowledge-based plan to stick to, if and when feelings of fear and greed start to creep up while you're trading.